Meaning of gate array.
Gate array.
Gate array.
Gate array.
Gate array. A gate array is a type of integrated circuit that consists of a predefined, fixed layout of transistors that can be wired together to create custom logic circuits. The term gate array comes from the fact that these circuits are composed of basic logic gates, such as AND, OR, and NOT gates, that are arranged in an array. This allows for relatively low-cost customization of the circuit design without requiring the expense and complexity of designing a fully custom chip. Gate arrays are often used in applications such as signal processing, control systems, and data transmission.